welcome back. We're continuing to work on the INSGEN Magic Shack. Last time we completed this cute little cabinet, put on some of our components. I found my little black pen. Completed this rocking chair. Has little bats on it on the sides. It's really cute. It works. And we also completed this step stool. Got really cute. We've got quite the array of components finished. Just keeping them in this little box so they're a little protected. Got quite the array. And today we're going to continue on and work on this table. So we need parts G5, G6, G7, and G8. Those will be in this tan piece. Here's G5, G6, G8, and G7. So we'll use our tile knife, put it only a little way out and lock it in and flip to the back. It's much easier this way. So this is G5, G6, G7, and G8. We take G5 and slide it into G6. G7 goes on top. We're going to use a little bit of glue right here along the top. To hold that from sliding all the way down. And then we glue 8 right on top of it. And we'll set that to the side and let it dry. And we'll come back and put our components on once this is set up a little bit. We'll go on and take out this bench here too. This is G9, G10, and G11. Here's our parts, G9, G10, G11, and we put them together with these decorative lines up, putting them in the sides with the notch towards the front. This just gets freeform glued between the back. It's a little wobbly. You just need to get it squared up good to give it a chance to dry. I think that looks pretty good. It does still want to pull apart. So we'll just set this to the side. Give it some time to set up. And our table should be pretty good. Yes, it is. And we'll go ahead and finish this up. We need J35. Put my J's in here. And we want this fancy looking bead with a hole in it. That acts as a coffee cup, I believe. And a couple of our finished books. We want I-32, which is our monster book. This one with the eyeball in it. Plus 1-5. I'll have to go back here and look. 1-5 is this orange one. Has a little pattern on it, I believe. It's this one. Yes, it's this one. And (1-28). I believe that's our Earth Sea book. Yes, it is. 1-28. That's one of the bigger books. It's Earth Sea. It looks like a dragon or a big eagle on it. And also 1-3, and I can see that's our Bloom book, or the book with the flowers and the moon on it. That's one of the smaller books. That would be this one. And we also need our blue bead that we made into like a pot. And that looks like everything, so we can start gluing those on. I'll go ahead and do a little placement to start out with. That looks pretty good. I'll turn that one just a little more. And I like that. That looks good. So let's go ahead and start gluing these on.